We're back here in the steel hull and the Linssen factory, where we once again look at our Linssen 45 SL sedan. On the last workspace here, she is almost ready. In our last film we saw the superstructure being assembled on top of it. That has all been welded, so it's completely fixed to the bottom. Also in the interior, all the framing is ready. The bathing platform is mounted onto it. The caps for the railing are mounted onto it. And next week the boat will go into the next process of our production, where the steel hull will be shot blasted. But we'll see that in one of our next videos.
We have been asked several times whether the production as shown here is only for this 45 SL sedan, or whether it applies for more Linssen yachts. The answer is simple: every Linssen yacht is built according to the same principles and high standards. The way in which the hull is constructed, the fish frame, the power impact construction for neutralizing cavitation, and later also the engine room fitting and the complete interior are made in the same way for all yachts. We have divided the production of our steel hulls here into 3 platforms. Platform 1 is for the 30 and 35 foot yachts and has 3 workspaces. Platform 2 is for the yachts of 40 and 45 feet and uses 4 workstations, and the larger yachts with the Variotop and the 500 sedan are made on platform 3 and uses 3 workstations. Each platform has its own takt time, as we call it. That is the time it takes for the hull to move from one station to the next. This is how we build our motor yachts in series.
Thanks again for watching our video. We hope to see you soon in the next video, where we will be looking at our shot blasting cabin. In the meantime, of course, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll keep updated about our newest films. See you!